Hello YouTube followers, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas. So I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. So before going to the details of this video, I have a simple request to all of my viewers, which I mostly do in all of my videos, that if you are a new subscriber or you haven't subscribed our channel or you are a non-subscriber, then kindly do watch our videos till end and make a routine of watching our channel on daily basis so that you could remain notified with the latest simple, beautiful and classy trendy ideas that are related to women fashion. So let's move to the details of this video. In this video I'm here with you along with a very beautiful, pretty, stylish collection of handmade, crochet, hand knitted baby girl frocks, and all of these designs are entirely for summer. These designs are of pure cotton thread and are suitable to wear in summers. So I hope you would like these designs. If you like the designs, kindly do like the video and do try them for your baby girls and share your experiences in the form of comments with us, and kindly give us suggestions or opinions which you would like to give us, or you want us to upload some content according to your likes. And allow us, we will soon be back with you along with some new trendy ideas. You don't go anywhere, kindly watch the video till end. And a request for my non-subscribers that kindly do subscribe our channel, and while subscribing do press the bell icon button so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of our channel. Thank you, take care, stay blessed.